Welcome back to Food for Life, the channel where every recipe brings comfort to your kitchen. Today, we're baking something a little different, a savory treat that's soft, fragrant, and oh so addictive. Salty cookies. Let's dive right in. First things first, let's activate our yeast. In a small bowl, combine 3/4 cup of warm milk with 1 tablespoon of yeast. Make sure the milk is warm to the touch, but not hot. We don't want to kill the yeast. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar to help the yeast wake up, and give it a quick stir. Set it aside for about 10 minutes until it gets nice and foamy. Once that's activated, add 3 eggs, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of ground cardamom. Trust me, this brings a beautiful aroma into the bowl. Whisk them gently. Now add 1/2 cup of oil, any neutral oil will do, and mix until the eggs and oil are well combined. Time to bring in the flour. Add 3 cups of flour, 1 cup at a time, mixing as you go. Also, don't forget to add 1/2 teaspoon of salt. As it thickens, you may want to switch from a whisk to your hands or a spatula. You're aiming for a soft, slightly sticky dough. Once the dough is mixed, cover it with a clean towel and let it rest for about 40 minutes. This lets the dough rise just a bit, giving the cookies a lovely, fluffy texture. While that is going on, if you're enjoying this recipe so far, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you can stay updated on all our delicious recipes. All right, our dough has rested, and it's time to shape the cookies. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. Take small portions of dough and shape them into rounds or any shape you want. Place them on a lined baking tray, leaving just a bit of space between them. Now the final touch, brush the cookies with egg wash made from 1 egg yolk and 1 tablespoon milk. Sprinkle each cookie with a mix of black seeds and sesame seeds. These not only look beautiful, but they also add that nutty, earthy flavor that takes these cookies over the top. Bake for 35 to 40 minutes, or until the bottoms are lightly golden and the tops are set. Don't overbake, we want them soft inside. And there you have it. Warm, soft, salty cookies with the perfect blend of spices and seeds. These are perfect with sweet tea, sheer chai, or English tea for breakfast, lunch boxes, or just as a savory snack throughout the day. Thanks for baking with us today on Food for Life. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this recipe with someone who loves a twist on tradition. See you next time, and as always, cook with love.
Like and subscribe.